Hey guys, I'm Sherry Criswell, independent designer for Chalk Couture. And today I'm going to show you from beginning to end that we can put our transfers on almost anything. And here I'm using some scrap wood, and I'm just taking acrylic paint and painting front, back, and all the sides. I just used a foam brush. I like that. It works good for me. Then I sanded it after it dried to distress it and put some natural Minwax on it and buffed it in. Now it's all prepped and ready for our transfer. So with the transfer, rise and grind, I am cutting it all out and I'm labeling the back because this transfer is reusable. So after it's all done and cleaned, I want to make sure it's on the right backer sheet. And you want to put the glossy side of the backer to the sticky side of the transfer. Okay, now I'm putting it on the board and I'm using bright white. And you just want to take your squeegee, make sure you cover all the netted areas, which by the way is the part that makes your design so nice and crisp and professional looking. Now I use daffodil for my secondary color. And there it is so far, but we got more to add. Now I took this small chalkboard tag that my husband made, and I'm going to put this coffee cup on it. It's a 2-layered one. So I'm going to put the first layer, and I used grayish, which is kind of like a light gray to me anyway. I let that dry. In the meantime, I went back to my main design and added these coffee beans, which is also part of this transfer. Now back to the second layer on the tag, and I'm going to use daffodil again. And just squeegee it on, take off the excess, and there you go. Now for the embellishment, I'm just wrapping around some twine about 4 times and tied it. And then I took it and secured it to the tag that I just made and tied that on. And then I made a faux bow. For those of you who don't like making bows, it's real easy. You just cut strips of ribbon, the color you like, different colors and textures, it's all good, and crisscross them and then tie them on. And then I just arranged them the way I liked and cleaned up the ends. I just made a diagonal cut with my scissors and I frayed the twine. There it is, all done in my coffee spot. I love it. Thanks for watching. Bye.